know we can summon angels. They knew that, so they don't want you meditating or doing any of those things. This is why it was illegal, right? This is why it was this is why it was illegal. So you must understand that. You must understand the why they keep this hidden from history, man. And you also, I want you to understand how they would have won. That would win in their favor had not two slaves went back and told the plan. You know what I'm saying? To two niggas to go back and tell the plan because they ain't want freedom, and they got into the whole rebellion, got 10,000 people caught up, got others hung and killed, all because they ain't want no freedom. And the crazy thing is they did all that telling just to remain slaves. They didn't get no reward for that. What they might let a motherfucker get motherfucking extra.
Thank you for using Securus. Goodbye.
Yeah, okay, so when you listen to these stories of these rebellions, man, they piss me off. Because they always damn near insane. The only one that was successful was the Gullah Wars of the Gullah tribe in the Carolinas and the Haitian Revolution. And that's why they don't teach us about the Haitian Revolution at all. You know what I'm saying? Because that's one of the most recent rebellions that we actually won. They don't teach you about the rebellions in Jamaica neither. You know, and why they start calling the locks dreadlocks. This is where the dreadlock title originated. We talking real black history. They don't teach you about that. See, a lot of people don't know that neither. Like, you had the slave uprising in Jamaica because Great Britain had took over Jamaica. You know what I'm saying? And to this day, they still do own Jamaica. But when they first came to Jamaica, it wasn't called Jamaica, and they were trying to take over the island, and we fought fiercely, using all forms of voodoo, hoodoo, and magic, and they couldn't do nothing with us. You get what I'm saying? They couldn't do nothing with us like they never could. You get what I'm saying? And this is when we would retreat to the woods and the hills and the mountains of Jamaica, the jungles of Jamaica, and the Spanish would come out to the jungles looking for us. And every time we popped, when they would see us, all they would see is locks, and they would get killed. Like, they don't see us at all, and then we just pop up from behind a bush or something. They see a big, strong black god or goddess, eyes glowing up, etheric field glowing up, aura glowing up, and long, thick-ass locks. Because we were natural back then. We didn't part of anything. So think about how the gods where they locked down in Florida. A lot of them where they shit natural like you're supposed to. Think about how people lock stuff on the islands and how we style them in different ways. It can't. If you look at it, I know it's our culture, but you can see why I would intimidate somebody else. Like, these motherfuckers look crazy. We got feathers and shit all on us there. What the fuck is all that, right? And when they see us, they would see locks, and then boom, they get hit with a spear. They get killed, and they get. So this is when they start dreading the locks. They start calling us dreadheads because they dread seeing us, because anytime they seen us, they would get killed. This is where the true name of dreadlocks started, because they not called dreadlocks, they called locks. But because they don't teach us our real black history, people don't know even where the title dread even came from. Right? But this is why. And you had a group of us that were known as the Maroons. You know, like the color maroon? That name comes from a tribe in Jamaica known as the Maroons. Talking about Black History Month, y'all. Let's talk real black history, Cosmic Family. And that tribe called the Maroons was the tribe that was doing, like, they were there protecting the island. Just like the Navy and the Army protects America, well, the Maroons was protecting the island, now known as Jamaica, because before they named it Jamaica, all of that was ancient names, which I don't want to use right now over the phone, because I want to wait till I say it publicly with y'all when I get home. But that was an uprising, which we eventually lost. And when we lost that uprising in Jamaica, that's how it became Jamaica. Right? It wasn't called Jamaica originally, you know what I'm saying? That's how it became Jamaica. And even if you look at the Jamaican flag, it looks just like the Great Britain flag. The only difference is the colors. And see what they did, they became smart. They didn't like uprisings because we a handful. So what they start doing is, okay, well, we'll let them place a few colors in the flag to make them more like it's freedom and independence, or we'll give them a government to make them think they have a voice. It's what government started coming in at, right? Because there was too many slave uprisings. So then they started giving us government to make us feel like we would have some form of a choice. You know what I'm saying? And this is where all this stuff comes from. But that's an illusion. We still live in the same state. The only difference is back then we were aware that we were spiritually enslaved and mentally enslaved, and now we are not. but we are waking up. Peace to the gods and goddesses of planet God. Peace, meaning positive energy always creates elevation. Peace to all the high vibration human beings. Peace to the ancestors for working through me. If you wish to see this full video, please head over to our official online website, www.theuci.online, and click on the video tab. Also, you can click, the shortcut to this video is to click the link below. It will be in the pinned comment in the comment section below. You can click the link and it will take you directly to this video so that you can watch this full video. Please be sure to continue to spread the message via social media. Use the hashtags on TikTok, Rashad Jamal, and hashtag free Rashad Jamal. Be sure to continue. Thank you for everyone that's donating to the university and for those who are subscribing to the online website. And to purchase official crystals, please visit the website as well. I love you all. I'll be home soon. Now we rise. I leave as I come. Ashe.